Okay, so today we will discuss about particle in one dimensional box. Particle in one dimensional box. Particle in one dimension box. Okay, so particle is confined something like that region x equal to 0 and x equal to L, where potential is 0, here potential is infinity, and here is also potential is infinity. Okay, so you can write in algebra the function of f equal to 0 for 0 less than x less than x equal to infinity otherwise. Okay, otherwise. So you know, so from the Schrodinger equation you can write the wave function for the particle which will be confined in this region. Okay, so s psi from the Schrodinger equation, s psi equal to E psi, which can be written minus x cut square upon 2m del square phi function of x upon del x square plus v x psi phi x equal to E psi. Okay, so as you know that here at x equal to 0 potential is infinity, and at x equal to L, also the potential is infinity. So both cases potential is infinity at x equal to 0 as x equal to L. So here is sharp incremental potential from this is the at point x equal to 0 and at point x equal to L. So the potential function is a discontinuous function, and we know that wave function should continuous होना चाहिए. wave function को continuous होना चाहिए. दूसरा जो है फाइनाइट होना चाहिए, फाइनाइट एवरीवेयर. और थर्ड इसकी जो प्रॉपर्टी होती है वेव फंक्शन की स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेबल होनी चाहिए. स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेबल होना चाहिए. ओके, सो ये तीन फंक्शन आप देखो. So if we talk about the region about x greater than 0 and x less than 0 and x greater than L, for this region here potential infinity, wave function will be the 0. For this region wave function will be the 0. I have considered the wave function of the electron point in this region will be the phi x. Okay, so the electron which will be confined in this region will be phi x, while the wave function which will be confined outside this region equal to infinity will be 0. Okay, because the potential function is discontinuous wave function. Therefore for the region x less than 0 x greater than 0 and x less than x. For this reason, you can write a wave function h cut square upon 2m del square phi x upon del x square equal to t psi. So this will be the wave function. You can simplify this equation where del square phi x upon del x square equal to minus 2m e upon h cut square. Okay, into function. So this is the phi x function of phi x. Okay. This equation can be written. This equation can be written del square phi x upon del x square equal to minus a square into 5 x. So here k square equal to under root of 2 k square equal to 2m upon h square. This value we have considered now. So as we know that the solution of simple harmonic motion here is equal to minus kx. This is different k than this. Okay, so I have just written this small k. So we can add d2 x square dt square equal to minus k kx. So this can be written d2x dt square equal to minus omega square x, where omega equal to where omega is square equal to k by 1. So the solution of this equation x equal to a sin omega t plus b cos omega t. So here, similarly, the solution of this equation, this differential equation can be written phi x equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx. Okay, so because as you know that at the point x equal to 0 potential infinity and at x equal to 0 potential infinity. So the at point at phi x will be the at point x equal to 0 and x equal to so you can write match match at point x equal to 0. X equal to 0, what will come from this zero equation? If you go to the x equal to 0, then the function will be 0, then this 0 is 0 equal to 0 plus b. Okay, because cos 0 equal to 1. Okay, so from this equation you will get that b equal to 0. So using the Taylor equation you can write phi x equal to e sin kx. Okay, so using the second boundary condition x equal to here, if we put the x equal to here, wave function again will be the 0 and a sin kx Yes. So now the question arises that this cannot be 0 because this is function. If this cannot be 0, this is why. If this is the k, the value of k, if you put the k equal to 0, the whole function sine equal to 0 and sine 0 will be whole. It means that there will be the no wave function of entire region. So this cannot be possible because the particle definitely will exist in this region. So wave function cannot be 0. It means that this is the given value. This cannot be also 0. So the k cannot be 0 because if you put k equal to 0, then whole wave function will be 0. So this cannot be possible. So you will put k l equal to pi. This will be 0 because at the value of I sine will be the 0. Okay. 2 pi, 3 pi. The value of will be the sine. The value of sine will be the 0. Okay. So from this, we can generally write k l equal to n pi. Okay. So from this equation, we can find out k equal to n pi by n. So this is the expression you have got from the equation k equal to n pi by n. So using this value of k from this from the equation, this equation. Where is the equation? From this equation, so you can write. Suppose that this is equation 1. So you can write in phi x equal to a sine n pi x by n. So this is the wave function for the particle. Okay. So this is the wave function for particle. Because we know that for the every wave function there should be the eigenvalue. So for this wave function there should be the energy eigenvalue. So from where we will calculate the energy eigenvalue. So